Hello, I'm Catherine Massoud. Today marks 14 years since a tragic road crash that took the lives of Tarek, Mishuk, and three other members of our film team. We've been waiting a long time for justice, as our case has been stuck in the appellate division of the High Court since 2017. However, our case is only one part of a much larger struggle for justice and accountability to ensure road safety for all. The road safety movement of 2018 is now part of the process of driving reforms in this interim period, and I hope its young activists will continue to take a leading role on this issue. Now is a time that they will be heard, especially with the rollback of the repressive cases against them and an acknowledgement of the harm that they were subjected to. Now is also the time to proclaim that the 2018 Road Transport Act that was passed in response to the students' demands was merely a partial patch-up job. This act not only lacked proper monitoring and enforcement mechanisms, but most importantly, it lacked any provision of accountability for road crashes. The legal framework that existed before 2018 provided some accountability mechanisms, but this was canceled, and nothing has been done to replace it under the new act. Without accountability, there can be no justice. Without accountability, there can be no real reform. Victims of road crashes don't need voluntary charity. They need compensation for death, injury, and suffering. Not only drivers, but transport companies and insurers should be held accountable. Only when those at fault are held financially accountable for their actions will there be any lasting and meaningful improvements to road safety. Let's use this moment to have our voices heard so that real progress is made in ensuring road safety for everyone.